Hi, this is Hina, and today in this video, I will give you a walkthrough of my project online vehicle services reservation system. So basically, this is about VehicleTune, and this is the front page of the website where user can explore services provided by the service station admin. And yeah, this is for home page, and then we have about and some other pages as well. This is the list of service stations. Uh, So in this system, a user can do sign up and also a sign up as a service station admin. So if I show you the database, we have created mechanics registration for service station and also for some users. So if I show you the main admin dashboard of this is actually me. Here we can request here, so no pending request for now, and then user request. So someone wants to register on our portal. So then we can sign up as the user. If I log out, so if I sign up as the user, then I can see the user dashboard where I have service stations operating in my area, services request which I sent as a user to for maintenance of my vehicles, and cancel service request and service request completed. So if I go to service stations, I can see the list of service stations, or I can search for some quick results, and then it shows all my services request previously which I have done. So home, and then I log in. If I log in as a service station admin, I will see the interface like this, where I have services. I can edit services, and then I can go back to mechanics where I have the mechanics detail. I can add new mechanic, or I can manage all my mechanics detail from here, and then I will go to the settings to update my service station thumbnail, name, location, area covered, and then I can see request presented by some users for some services. I can assign my mechanics to it, or I can say complete. So I can assign from a list of mechanics and then submit. Okay, so you're successfully assigned the mechanic to the mechanics. Okay, and then when the mechanics will tell me, okay, then I will mark it as completed, and it will be notified to the user. So that's it. Hope you like my VehicleTune portal and the idea of online vehicle services reservation system. If you have any projects in hand and want some good projects to be done, then contact me via my website and